Good morning from this end of life and from this side of my life. I am walking around and I can see a lot of flowers. You know, yesterday I've seen that girl who is trending on and about hugging the trees, and here I am with my camera, with my daughter's camera, actually not mine. I'm taking photos of a very beautiful and serene environment from my school. And this is my school, this is where I work. Let me show you some beautiful flowers, guys. Have a look at these. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. We have a variety of colors, and this is where sauna meets flora. Just have a look at all these types of crops and trees. Just have a look at these trees. This is our school. This is where I school. Then we have this one is an indigenous herb. It's very nice. It makes a very nice wine, some very nice wine. I've seen it in Ethiopia when I was in Ethiopia. I saw that it prepares very nice wine. Then we have terere. For those of you who love indigenous vegetables, we have terere here in our school, or amaranth, and you can have it for your food with ugali, mchele, and everything you feel like having it with. Have a look at this. Just have a look, guys. Just see how beautiful my school is. Can you see the school that I go to? How beautiful it is. This is where I school, guys. This is where I go to school. I know some of you don't believe that I'm a student. I'm a student in this beautiful, prestigious university, the Kenya Methodist University, where flora meets fauna. And as you can hear birds chirping, have a look at this. We have all types. We have the blackjack. Blackjack is very good for iron in your body. You take it for iron in your body. Then we have this other plant. This is a succulent plant for those of us who did botany. And then I'll show you one of the most indigenous tree. Have a look at that. It is known as Brovera. Dr. Gashoka, I hope you see your student is shining in botany. This is Brovera. I don't know its indigenous name or its African name. It's Brovera species. I know that. I don't know its genus, so if I tell you the genus, I lie to you guys. Then from this other end, by the way, just to let you know, this is our pathway to the science lab. Then here is another type of plant. You can see. Then our school has a lake. Just have a look, guys. This is our school with a very nice and beautiful lake. Then I'll continue walking, and the other day I showed you the sandalwood. Now, today I want to show you the tree which the sandalwood coparasites in. And this tree is still in the family of sandalwood. I can't remember its name, but guys, I'll give you the name of this tree. So this tree co-parasites with the sandalwood. The sandalwood does not survive by itself. You remember I told you that the other day. Sandalwood survives as a parasite. It is a parasitic tree, but it grows tall, and sometimes it even overtakes the original tree. So this is now the mutualistic tree that the sandalwood survives through. It fins from this tree, from the roots down there. I'm not able to go there because I didn't put on my hiking boots. And then you can see, just have a look at how beautiful my university is, guys. Have a look. This is where I school, by the way. Mimi ni mwanafunzi hapa. This is where I go to school. Then I turn around. Have a look at this beautiful plant. I'll give you all the names of these plants that I'm showing you. I am coming with a video about them. And then have a look at the farthest point. that there is also another tree, very tall, you can see. Then in our school, the school that I school at, we have the cactus. You can see the cactus. I've told you this is where flora meets fauna. And then we have the aloe vera. What to aloe vera? This is the aloe vera, the original aloe vera. This is the African giant aloe vera. I'll tell you a story about that. Then we have this one, Lantana Camara. And then we have this other flower. I know you've seen this bougainvillea flower. For us who grew in the village, we have the bougainvillea flower. So just have a look. See how beautiful my university is. You can also bring your children here, or you can come here. Just have a look. See this? Can you see? This is the bougainvillea flower. I know you guys have seen it. Then, wow, have a look at that magnificent, majestic tree. Just have a look at that. So next time I'll invite the girl who is hugging a tree to come and hug a tree in our school. And then in our school, this is our science block. That is where we do our practicals, guys. That is where we have all forms of labs, internationally recognized laboratories. And as you know, I am a researcher and a public health officer. I'm going to check on something I left in the lab. Then here we have the crop I've shown you. Guys, now the fantastic bit about my school is I'm not taking you for a school tour. I'll do that. But the fantastic bit about my school, the school that I go to, is it borders with a forest. Guys, have you been to a school where in the morning when your child comes to school, the first thing they see is either an elephant, monkeys, giraffe? This is the mighty Mount Kenya forest. The mighty Mount Kenya forest that originates from the Meru part, and you can see how magnificent the trees are. Let me just capture these from my side, guys, so that when you're bringing your children here, you'll know that they are in serene environment. That there, you can see there, that is our school fence. And then can you see, guys, this is Kenya Methodist University. This is Kenya Methodist University. This is not a paid ad, but I'm so proud of my school, guys. This one is my school. Just have a look. I hope you will bring your children here, because exclusively nowhere else. On waste management, we are well covered. Just have a look. Can you see that's our dustbin? Our colors are blue. Our school colors are blue. That one is our dustbin. This is a magnificent tree. So I'll invite Modoni to come and hug trees from Kenya Methodist University, and she'll have a chance to interact with the nature at its best. Just as I proceed to the lab, as you know, as scientists, we just love being in the labs, feeling the scents, you know, the scents and the smells. Just have a look, guys. Just have a look. Can you see? Can you see? I'm just getting into the lab. This is our lab. This is our science complex block. And this is our lab. And this is Jessica. And this is Kenya Methodist University. See how Meru is beautiful? That's Meru for you in the morning. We experience this every day, actually, whether it's rainy season or dry season. This is Meru for you. Can you see how beautiful Meru is? Welcome more to Meru. Welcome more to Kenya Methodist University. Can you see me getting in, guys? The future is here. The future is here. Here I am at my school. I school here and also career research. Here, guys, have a look. We take care of your mental health. Have a look, guys. This is Kenya Methodist University, and this is Jiska. Can you see that? And this is our security guard. Hi. Good morning. Uko aje?